I felt the future breathing softly on my skin, like a promise made of glass, too fragile to begin. You were the spark that almost lit my quiet sky, but the truth came crashing in before we learned to fly. Now the silence in the doorway still remembers where you stood, and the echo of your leaving hurts louder than it should. Every heartbeat stumbles where your shadow used to stay. Every maybe haunts me in 1,000 different ways. This is the sound of almost, the ache that never closes, a dream that nearly opened, a rose that never roses. It lingers like a whisper of a life we never chose. Oh, the sound of almost is the loudest sound I know. See, I once said heartbreak sings the truest kind of truth, and I feel it in the ruins of the love I had with you. I'm dancing with the memories that never